Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your age inside of ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there is no direct age verification inside of ChatGPT feature you can manually trigger. However, age verifications depends on whether you're using ChatGPT and your account setup. So during account creation, your age is typically confirmed when you create your OpenAI account. You must meet the minimum age requirements for your region. So this is generally between 13 plus or 18 plus, depending on local rules. Now, if you are being asked to verify age, this usually happens through email account sign up confirmation, payment method. So this is for Plus and Pro plans. In some regions, ID or third-party verification services may be required. So basically in settings, there is no manual toggle. So ChatGPT itself does not provide a button or setting where you can prove age afterwards. Age status is handled on the back end of OpenAI's account system. Now, if you're locked out of your account due to age, go ahead and come on over to help.openai.com and just let them know of the situation, and they'll help verify your account or verify your age.